In this tutorial, we'll focus on how to create a Gantt chart. A Gantt chart is a type of bar chart that illustrates a project schedule named after its inventor Henry Gantt, who designed such a chart around the years 1910 to 1915. It is commonly used in project management and is one of the most popular and useful ways of showing activities, tasks, or events displayed against time. Excel 2013 has no built-in Gantt chart, but a stacked bar chart will do the trick. Let's have a look at the data first. In column B, we have the different tasks of our project. In column C, their start dates, and in column D, their end dates. We deduct the start date from the end date to get the duration. The +1 makes sure that we include both the first and the last day in our calculation. Before we insert the bar chart, make sure that the start days are sorted in ascending order. First, highlight the data in column B and C. Hold the Control and Caps Lock key and highlight also the data in column E. Then go to Insert, go to the Chart section, click on the small icon with horizontal bars, and here click on the Stacked Bar option. You already can see the glimpse of the Gantt chart. All we have to do is to apply some formatting to finish it. First, we'll remove the Start data series. We do this by right-clicking into the blue bar and changing the color of the bars to No Fill. Then we'll remove the grid lines. Right-click on one of the lines. Then hit the Delete key. After that, we'll bring the horizontal X-axis to the top. We'll right-click on the Y or category axis and then we go to the Format Axis option. In the Axis Option section, we tick Categories in reverse order. That will bring the dates to the top. In the Fill and Line section, we click on No Line to get rid of the line between the labels and the bar. Then we also remove the legend. Click on the legend and hit the Delete key. You did pretty well so far, and here comes the final step. Have a look at the X-axis. The dates start in April and the words are all squashed. We need to clean this up. First, we need the numerical value of the first start date. Go to any cell and change the format to numbers. Then copy-paste special the value of cell C6 into this cell. Copy. Paste special value. The numerical value of the first start date is 43,955. Once we have this established, we can complete our chart. Right-click on the X-axis, go to Format Axis. In Axis Options, set the minimum value to 43,955. The numerical value of the first start date and the major unit value to 7. Close the window and your Gantt chart is complete. Congratulations! I hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get updates when new videos come out.